Guys, and today we just got our new car, and I will be doing a video of this. So let's get right into this. So it is a Pilot, as you can see. We don't have the license plate on it yet. That's why I want to do a video quick. Pretty nice car. Today we might make some videos. My friend's gonna come over. We're gonna see how he likes this car. So yeah, let's look at the interior and everything. So yeah, it has nice leather seats. Look at that. Has a sunroof up there. Sick. Yeah, it's still nice. So yeah, it's a pretty cool car. So then, there's blood on the thing. I don't know if you guys can see it, but my dad, he came back home and there's blood on the light because he ran a bird over. So yeah, this is my sister's booster. Oh, sorry, put my finger in front of the camera right there. Okay, yeah, this is his booster. Back here, I'm gonna set you guys down here for a little bit. Just watch me. Yeah, I still have my pajamas on. So. Okay, so that one. Okay, come around back. Grab you guys. And there's a seating back here. These can plop down whenever you want. Small little trunk back there. Do you need to set you guys down again? Don't make fun of my pajamas. My mom buys them. I don't really care. I look stupid in them. So yeah, there's that. And, well guys, that's a pretty nice car, isn't it? But not like nice, like a Chevrolet Camaro or something like that. Chevrolet. Like nice cars. So hope you guys like this video. Hopefully I get new nice cars. So hope you guys like, subscribe. Peace out.